tell you a secret. Adam Nagawa in the Garden of Eden, time began. What did time do? Began. Time. Nagawa. All along, Adam was living eternal before the fruits. One thing is the fruits are like apple. Banga kabante badla ma apula zange babe pregnant. Mara nano numuntu ba pregnant. My apula ba le elenzo ukuthi babe pregnant na bathola ukuthi in the Garden of Eden. That is a lie. And my theologians now, bafundisi for past Bible school who are teaching this nonsense. That is a lie. It's a nonsense. You understand? But one day I'll talk about that.
Intercourse.
Yeah, it was a sexual intercourse.
Yeah.
That was a sexual intercourse. But there's something deeper than meet the eye. That was a sexual intercourse. I mean, how did she become pregnant? I mean, how many apples are there? Who doctor even recommend who they eat an apple is good for your body? Mara apple one little men be pregnant. Why they can't get pregnant now? It's a lie. You understand? Who to Paul when I was a child, I used to think like a child. But now I'm an adult, I think like an adult. Now, let me come to this issue again. Shalom, Sanbonani, how are you? God bless you, 100. This is Jabbar. My numbers are 073-2519-311. And my YouTube is General Eagle Jabbar. I repeat, General Eagle Jabbar. You write General, you make a space, you write Eagle, you make a space, you write Jabbar. Jabbar is J-A-B-A-R. My TikTok is the same. You write at General Eagle Jabbar with small letters. My numbers are, my cell phone numbers in WhatsApp, 07325193111. And my Spotify is General Eagle Jabbar